Hello children, I am Miss Perita and I welcome you all for today's session. So children, today we're going to learn a little bit more about letter W. But before we move on to doing that, children, let's quickly play our snap and clap game. What is that game? Yes, that's right. So you have to listen to me and you have to see how many times I am snapping and clapping, and you have to repeat that, right? So listen and see. Do both. Here I go. That's right. Correct. Now let's go a little fast. Well done, children. That was wonderful. So, children, it's time now to say our golden rules. Let's go. Elephant ears, magnet eyes, clean your desk for learning, hands on your lap, and sweet-talking mouth. And children, that's right. It's time to revise all the sounds that we have done so far. We have done quite a lot, and I know you know them all. So let's go revising them. So children, let us say the sounds of the letters along with the action. Letter S. S says S. Letter A. A says A. A. Letter T. T says T. T. Letter P. P says P. Letter N. N says Letter I. I says I. I. Letter L. L says L. Letter D. D says D. D. Letter F. F says F. Letter H. H says H. Letter O. O says O. O. Letter C. C says K. Letter K. That's right. K too says K. CK. Even CK says K. Letter G. G says G. G. Letter R. R says R. Letter E. E says E. E. Letter M. M says Letter V. V says V. Letter J. J says J. J. And the letter that we are learning is letter W. And W says W. W. Very good, children. So these were the sounds that we have learned so far. And yes, you do know all your sounds. Keep up the good work, children. And time now to listen to the rhyme on letter W. And here's a rhyme.
The wings of the wizard go whoop, 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 whoop. The wings of the wizard go whoop, 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 casting a magical spell.
Yes, so that is a letter W. And time now to take a look at the pictures on letter W. So here is our letter W. let us say the sound once again before we move on to seeing our pictures. W, W. Well done. Yes, even that begins with letter W. Well done. And here are the pictures. W, W, wings. W, W, well, that's correct. W, W, wall. Yes. W, W, windmill. Lovely. W, W, witch. Correct. And the last one, W, W, wizard. Fantastic, children. So these were the pictures of the story. And children, I can think of another word that begins with letter W. Now that thing is an animal and it lives in the sea and it is a whale. Yes? So come on, let us make that whale with our hands and let that whale go swimming in the sea. And let it just gush out of the water and let it dive back into the water. Whoosh. Yes, it's splashing all the water. Whoosh. Whoosh. Yes, even that begins with letter W. W. What? Whoosh. Come on. Let's make that whale swim and dive again. Whoosh! Yes, wonderful, children. So now it's time to play a fun game on letter W. And here's a game. Yes, so what is this game? It says, find friends of letter W. Let's start. Now, who is the friend of letter W? Is it the engine or well? W, well. Yes, that's correct. And here's our next pictures. Who's the friend of letter W? Is it witch or is it juice? It is the witch. Come on, let's click on it. That's correct. And let's take a look at our next pictures. And who's the friend of letter W over here? Is it mango or is it watermelon? Yes, it is watermelon. Let's click on it. That's correct as well. And what do we have here? Wand and violin. So who's the friend? W, wand or is it W, violin? It is wand. Lovely. And let's take a look at the last one. Who's the friend over here of letter W? Is it the monkey or the wizard? W, monkey or W, wizard? It is the wizard. Let's, and that's it. Late, children. So that was a fun game on letter W. And let's take a look at our fun home play activity. So here is our fun home play activity, which is to walk like a walrus. For this activity, you need to follow the following steps. Take a push-up position, raise your body on hands and feet, and Start walking forward using only hands and keep dragging your feet. Similarly, walk backwards using hands only and keep dragging your feet backwards. So enjoy the walrus walk for at least 2 to 3 times. And this happens to be your fun home play activity. So children, with this we finish with our letter W. And I shall see you again with a new letter. Till then, bye-bye.